Alright, YouTube, now you've hopefully seen part 1, the basic heel toe, part 2, which was the double tap, a little bit more advanced, and part 3, which is the inverted. This is part 4. This heel toe is a combination of a couple of styles. It's going to be the double tap, and then it's going to be like this spin that I do with my leg. I combined them, and this all came through, just experimenting and having fun, just vibing out to the music, combining some moves with other moves, and seeing what happens. But to show you what it looks like, you can do it 2 different ways. You can do the basic way with the leg spin, leg windmill, or you can do it the double tap way with the leg windmill. Okay? So if you're looking at somebody, this is how it looks facing them. It's gonna go boom, okay? That's basic with the leg windmill. Double tap with the leg windmill. Okay? So I'm going to show you the basic way and the double tap way with the leg windmill in this tutorial. Alright? It's pretty much, it's 3 steps for the basic, 4 steps for the double tap. Alright? It goes like this. You're going to start off right heel, left ball, toe. You're going to go right. You're going to jump, and as you jump, you land on your left foot, and that's when you do your windmill with your right. So you're going to go like this. Okay? To show you how to do the leg windmill, the best way to explain it is you take this heel, your right heel, go up by your calf, go up your leg, and then just turn around. Okay? So go like that. Your heel goes up your calf, and then you just kind of whip it around. Boom. Boom. Alright, it's going to feel uncomfortable, but you'll get used to it. So it goes right heel, left toe. You go right, jump, and turn at the same time. Land on your left foot. Doesn't matter where right now, what part of your foot. Then you come down on your right ball of your foot, and all you doing is just switching to your left ball of your foot and your right heel. And that's when you do it all over again. So right heel, left ball of your foot, to your right, jump, leg windmill, fall back to your right foot, and then switch. Alright, left ball of your foot, right heel. And do it over again. So, boom, 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 boom. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So that's the basic way. The double tap. You're going to go to your right. Same. Land on your left foot from the jump, doing your leg windmill. You come back to your right toe, right ball of your foot. When you switch this time, instead of going back into a basic heel toe, you're doing the double tap there. Okay? So show you what it looks like. Boom. Boom. And what it is you're going straight into your leg windmill instead of the heel toe. Because just like when we were doing the regular the double tap heel toe, you're not going anywhere. So all we're doing is double tapping straight into the leg windmill. Same way here. Right, left foot, back, double tap with your left leg. Alright? Left ball of your foot, right heel. Boom, 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 double tap. Alright, and I am doing a small turn on my right heel. So, right, left foot, come back to your right ball, switch to your left ball, right heel, double tap while you're turning. So it's like boom, boom. Alright? Alright, show you what it looks like in front again. Basic. Double tap. Okay. Slow. Right. Jump out of it while you're doing your windmill. Boom, boom, boom. Switch. And then go back into it again. It's really quick. Right heel, left toe. Come out of it with the leg windmill. Right down. Switch. Left toe, right heel. And then turn around. Alright? So I combined all four together. The basic, the inverted, the double tap, and then the leg, windmill whip. So basic, double tap, inverted, windmill. Same thing, basic, double tap, inverted, double tap, windmill. There you go.